Hi kids, this is teacher Erica and welcome to math class. Today we are going to talk about number sequence. Everybody please say number sequence. Okay, so what is this all about? A number sequence is a list of numbers that are linked by a rule. So take note that you need to know the rule to know the next numbers in the sequence. Alright? So this is the example of the number sequence. So there are blanks that we need to fill in. Alright? So first we have the number 364, 366, 368, 370. So first step, we need to know the rule. What do you think the rule here? From 364, it becomes 366. What did we do to this number to make it 366? Okay, the rule is to add 2 or plus 2, right? 364 plus 2, it becomes 366. From 366, it becomes 368. From 368, it becomes 370. Now, I think you know already what is the next number here. Okay, 372. Very good. How about the next here? The next number. What is the next number? From 372 plus 2, how much? 374. Very good. So this is the example of the number sequence. So again, you have to think the rule so that you can answer. Okay, so that you will know the next numbers in the number sequence. Another example. So we have here from 510 blank, 490, 480 blank, 460. Okay, so this time we only have first number and then next is blank. So you have to look for the two adjacent numbers so that you can easily get the rule in this number sequence. So here, from 490, it becomes 480. What did we do in this number 490 to make it 480 or 480? So what is the rule? Okay, the rule is to subtract 10 or minus 10. Alright. So now we can answer 510 minus 10. What is the answer? Okay, 500. Very good. And then 500 minus 10, it becomes 490. So the same here as well. 490 minus 10, it becomes 480. So now we can answer the last blank here. 480 minus 10. What is the answer? 470. Alright. So next. Okay, so we have 740. Next, 760. And then blank, blank, 820 and 840. So again, you have to take a look for the two adjacent numbers for you to find the rule in the number sequence. So from 740, it becomes 760. So what do you think is the rule here? Is it to add or subtract? Okay, from smaller number, it becomes bigger number. So, add. Let's add 20 each time in this number sequence. So plus 20. Alright, so 740 plus 20, it becomes 760. 760 plus 20. What is the answer? Okay, 780. 780 plus 20. Okay, 800. Alright, so 800 plus 20, 820, and then so on and so forth. Okay, so let's have another one. So this time we don't have the first number here. Okay, so blank 400, and then 450, blank 550, and then 600. So we have here the two adjacent numbers. Okay, so we can take a look here. From 400, it becomes 450. So the number gets bigger, right? So what do you think? Is it to add up or subtract? Okay, it is to add. Alright, so add 50. Okay, so here it becomes 400, right? So which means, what do you think the number here? It's 350. So 350 plus 50, the answer is 400, right? 400 plus 50, the answer is 450. So now 450 plus 50, 500. Alright, and then 500 plus 50, so 550, and then 550 plus 50, it becomes 600. Alright, so next. Okay, we have 403, blank 603, blank 803, and the last number 903. So now in this number sequence, we have here the two adjacent numbers, the last two numbers in this number sequence. So from 803, it becomes 903. So what do you think is the rule in this number sequence? It's okay to add 100 or plus 100. Alright, so now we can fill in the blanks. So 403 plus 100. What is the answer? Okay, 403 plus 100 equals 503. Okay, now next, 603 plus 100 equals 703. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy our lesson. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Goodbye.